Okay guys, welcome back to today's class. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to manipulate a background like this, like this, like this, and like this, with just simple steps, 2 simple steps. In this channel, I'll be teaching you on the tips and tricks on how to maneuver around graphic design tips and some tricks in it, being it any manipulation or anything that seems hard in design. Okay guys, without no more further ado, let's jump right into what we have today. Okay, launch your PixelLab application now. We will be manipulating this particular background here with just a step, and as well through this particular step we are going to be using to manipulate this background. You can as well apply them in creating these ones as well. Okay, without more further ado, let's start. Okay, now what you're going to do is we're going to be importing the background we'll be using by clicking on this place. Click on import. Now let's select the picture here. Let's select the picture here. Okay, let's look for it. This was the image I used. I selected this image. Click OK. Now in the size. Alright, keep it in the center. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit so that I'll get the upper part. Now let's lock it up. Alright, I want to blend in pictures of people praying around this in this background. The way I'm going to do is that I'm going to be clicking on this particular sticker. If you click on it, there is this hidden technique that I noticed in this PixelLab that I want to share. There are 3 ways to achieve that. One of them is what I'm going to be showing you now. If you click on this place, you see there is this kind of blurry element you can see here. So the way you can be able to sustain it, or have that element left, how to this element to be staying in your design even when you close this particular sticker option, is by clicking on this place. If you click on this place, you now select another layer. Now it means that you have already sustained that this thing here. You see that? And what I'm going to use this to do is I'm going to select it. Okay, I'm going to just click on import, click on that tool and click on texture. If I click on texture and import the picture I want to add as texture to it, which is this picture. Now let's look for it. The pictures of people praying. Alright, let's select this one. If I click on it, okay, now resize it to where you want it to be. Now click OK. This is it. The reason why it can be able to blend well is that particular shape is one. It's not that thick. It's feathered in the background. So if you can decide to place it any way you like, but I'll prefer placing it here. I click OK. This is another way to achieve that. If you click on this place, draw tool, now take it up to this place and now increase your brow radius, bring it down, increase the pen size. Now select a color. Like if you like, you can just decide to pick color from the background. Understand? Just pick blue so that it will blend well. If you select the blue color, now just tap on the screen. Bam, I just tapped. Click OK. See what I just created. Now let's try to add a texture to it. Click on texture, add image. Let's select the same picture and see the one that works really cool. Alright, let's look for an image. Okay, see the picture here. Okay, let's resize it 1:1. Okay, this is it. This one is more visible, understand, but it's really blended well. But you can decide to reduce the opacity here. That's this thing is beautiful. You see that it's very, very beautiful. So guys, now let's try that on another picture. Click on the sticker, select your layer panel and select any other layer. that will be here. This will be here. Now go over to your texture and select the picture you want to blend in the background. Okay, you can decide to blend this picture here. You see, this is one of the perfect way to create a background manipulation. You can decide to blend this here. It blends so beautiful. You don't need to reduce the opacity or do other things. You can reduce the opacity if you want in your style. So this is not the picture I want to blend in, but let's just set it. Okay, let me add a thunder effect in it as well. Okay, let me check your comment. If I can find it, okay, let's try this. Okay, now you know that in this application you cannot use the blending tool here, like this what is it called, blending option. If I try to remove the color, the black color in this, it will work on. Yes, but it's what we have here. Right, you can decide to just reduce the opacity a little bit. See that? You can copy it and flap it. Alright guys, this is one of the background we manipulated today. Thank you very much. In our next class, I'm going to show you another techniques on how to manipulate background. In this channel, I teach you tips and tricks on how to achieve a professional design, and as well the ways to move around things that seems to be difficult as a designer. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in our next video.